Hey guys, Rachel here, and I am super excited to show you two Cardinals, but they will be in separate videos. So I'm going to show you this Cardinal first. Absolutely stunning. It's a 2025. I'm, again, super excited to show you. Plenty of space. It is a bunkhouse, and in fact, the model has the word fun in it, and it is absolutely stunning. And the price is crazy. I mean, the discount is amazing. So let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know what you think. Let's go. Alright guys, it's the Forest River Cardinal. I love the new look that they have. Absolutely stunning. It's a 2025. The model is 35FUN. Fun. You've got two slides on this side. You've got a slide on this side as well, and a nice long awning. Of course, you do have your backup camera prep as well. And you do have another door right here. Oh, you got two awnings. Nice. All right, let's take a look inside. So I love the colors that they did. I think it's absolutely stunning, and the amount of space in here because of the dual opposing slides is wonderful. I mean, tons of area, even with this island in the middle, so much area to walk around. I love the high top table. It's new. I love it. Got beautiful windows right behind with roller shades as well, which are super easy to use. And they actually work. You've got some theater seating area over here, nice and comfy with cup holders right there. And I love this wall, the gray texture and everything. Love it. And then all of this space right here with your entertainment right over there, along with your fireplace. Of course, storage everywhere. Take a look in here. So plenty of space to pile in some stuff. You've got cabinetry, but you also have counter space. You've got an extension right here. Some more storage and drawers. Nice big sink. A residential fridge right there. Microwave, 3-burner, and your oven. And then you got your pantry right here, nice and long as well. And then of course you do have some more counter space right here and storage above and below. Maybe you got some coffee, or put your keys over there. I love how much space you get. I love the colors of this new unit. All right, right through here we've got our bunkhouse. Full-size bed, some twin beds up at the top with storage on each side, and still plenty of space to, maybe the kiddos want to play on the floor. They have it, but they also have a desk right here. So that, I just love having a desk in the kiddos' room. You got some chargers, you got outlets, and then right over here we do have that bathroom, and it's actually a full bathroom for the kids. So plenty of space here. Nice big shower. Love it. All right, right down here, we've got our master bedroom. Love the barn doors, but look how much room is in here. Plenty of storage underneath the bed as well. Got some chairs over here for your high top table. Got a little closet space right here. Some more storage right above the bed. And then you've got plenty of dresser storage area right here. Hang up your clothes, hang up your entertainment right there. Just so much room. You can walk on both sides easily. Then you have your bathroom with, again, here's your door. Once this goes down, you have all of this space, but you also have some more dresser storage area right here. Nice big counter and sink, and a nice size shower. And I like how they, again, pivoted the toilet so you do have so much room as well. All right. What do you guys think of this unit? It's absolutely beautiful, and the price is absolutely insane. The discount is crazy. That's how they do it here, and I love it. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, call, text, email. My information is in the description. Let me know what you guys think, and until next time.